Welcome to JC&M Natural Remedies. We are back. Right now, we are going to make a new blend we just made. It is what I call the high blood pressure relief blend. So we are going to get started on that. Janelle will be making that. So go ahead, Janelle. Go ahead and make your high blood pressure relief blend.
Yeah. So we actually made this.
All right.
A couple of days ago. So we're gonna get how many drops of?
We can do the
probably like
7 drops of each.
7 of each. Okay, so 7 drops of Clary sage.
Clary sage is like lavender.
Okay. And then 7 drops of Ylang.
Ylang, 7 drops.
Alright, and then 7 drops of marjoram.
Marjoram, 7 drops.
Alright, and then we're going to do 7 drops of lavender.
Lavender, 7 drops. And I wish you guys were here. You can just smell that lavender. It's so refreshing.
And then 7 drops of frankincense.
Frankincense, the king of oil, 7 drops.
And then, Papa, would you like to put in the fractionated
I will put in the
oil?
fractionated coconut oil, which I'm going to have to put a lot because...
that is not that much. That is in there.
Yeah, so this one doesn't call for a lot of oils, but
it definitely helps. And then the next we could do the liquid vertigo. Almost there. Little more. That's about good. All right, and now we're going to shake it up.
shake it and bake it.
All right, and then I'm going to pop this back on.
She's going to put the lid back on.
Wait, I want them to stay. I like the sound. Ready to listen to this. Perfect.
All right, she's going to wash it, clean it, and then put the label. We'll be right back. All right, so Janelle has just put the label on it. There you go. It is the high blood pressure relief blend. Shows the oils, everything. All right. Like I said before, Doterra Natural Oils Roller Blends is very helpful for the family and friends. We've been using it for about 6-7 years. It's been very beneficial to us. First step is to join Doterra. It's $35 for wholesale membership for 1 full year, and then you can order whenever you would like. And then you can make the blends, everything. So if that's something you would like, send us a message. We have a link to join under our group, and we can start making roller blends together. Okay, thank you. Talk to you soon.